Hello Techies, welcome to my channel Techno Network. I hope you all are doing well. So till now in my previous videos of PowerShell, I've tried to explain multiple commandlets and alias, and I believe that you have got some clarity on the PowerShell commandlets. And if you still have any doubt on any commandlets or alias, please do comment in the comment section. And now I think that this will be enough to start the PowerShell scripting. So in this video, we will try to learn basics of PowerShell scripting. Okay, so to do the PowerShell scripting, we first have to open PowerShell ISE. Let me show you over here. I'll just type PowerShell and you will be able to see PowerShell ISE. I'll open it as an administrator. Okay, and just give it few seconds, it will open. So there you can see this is the PowerShell ISE where we run all the scripts. At the right hand side you can see all the commandlets of PowerShell. Okay, so and at the left hand side you can see this is the body part where we write the script, and below this is where you can get the results of the script. Okay, here you can see there are multiple options to open a new file, to save, and in edit you have some options, the basic options which we have in every application, which is cut, copy, paste, redo, undo, and all. The same is here, like open, save, copy, redo, undo. This is the run script. This is the run button. Okay, so we are going to run a script now. Let me show you first what we are going to do. So currently we are in the test folder right now. Okay, so what we are having a plan that we will create a folder over here. Okay, and in that folder there will be one file. Okay, and in that file we will put some data and then we'll try to open that using the script. Okay, so let me open it over here. Okay, and currently as you can see we are in the system32 folder. Okay, and currently here we are in the test, so let me copy it, and now I'm going to write a script to do the same which I have just explained. Okay, so first let me come into the test folder. So I'll go test, I'll type cd backward slash, and then I'll type cd, I'll paste that path over here. Now currently we are in the test folder. Okay, and here we will create one folder. So to create one folder we type new item. Okay, and I'll give the new item name will be, for example, I'll give Techno Network. Okay, and this will be a folder, so I have to give the item type will be directory. Okay, and here again we have to go into this folder now, so I'll type cd Techno Network. Okay, now here in this folder we have to create one file, and in that file I'll put some data like hello world. Okay. So to do that I'll type over here echo, and I'll put the data which is hello world, and this data will be in this file test.txt. Okay, and we will going to open this file also. Okay, so to open it again you just have to type notepad and test.txt. So what we have done over here, so what we are doing in the first line, we are changing from system32 C drive. In this it will change from C drive to test folder. Okay, and it will go to the test folder. In the test folder it will create one folder with the name of Techno Network, and then again it will come to the Techno Network folder which we have just created. In the Techno Network it will create one file with the name of test.txt. Okay, and then it will open the test.txt file. Okay, so here I'm gonna do one thing, I'm just going to run this script now. Okay, I'll just click on run. One second, we got an error message over here. Okay, because I have typed the wrong name over here. Okay, it is not paid. Okay, now here I'm gonna do one thing, I'm just going to rerun this command. Okay, and there you can see the file is already open. So, and let me go here, let me check. See, in the test folder the test network, so Techno Network folder has been created. In the Techno Network test.txt file has been created. Okay, so what we have done, we have just to write this 6-line code over here, and with this code what we have done, we have created a one folder, we have created one text file in that particular one folder. Okay, So that is how you can use PowerShell ISE to create script or run a script over here. Okay. And so in this video, this will be enough. In my next video, I will be explaining about PowerShell's operators, variables, data types, and all. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you have learned something from this video, please do like it, share it, and do subscribe the channel Techno Network. Thank you.